Good afternoon. My name is Randy Johnson. I'm with the Point of Barrel Islands Association.
And I'm Chris Lusty. I'm one of the Marine Patrollers for 2021.
We're going to talk about the proper operation of a wajax forest firefighting pump.
So in front of us here, we've got all the different parts of the system. So we've got our wajax pump itself, and then here we've got one of our fogging nozzles. Here we have our fuel tank and line, and then here we have our suction line as well.
There are a few connections that are specific to the wajax pump that make it a little different from the Honda or Yamaha pump that might have at your cottage. Chris, if you could show how the suction line is filled up and how it connects to the pump first. So Chris is going to thread the suction line on to the actual pump body. Once you get the collar started on the thread, it should go on fairly easily. You should be able to turn it with your hand. There is a wrench to finally tighten the brass collar. Make sure it's snug so we don't lose any air or leak any air around that connection. So in order to finish filling the suction line, Chris is going to basically use the foot valve on the suction line to help fill the suction hole with water. As soon as you see it come out of this point, you know that the pump body has some water in it. Okay? The next connection is between the pump itself and the discharge hose and the nozzle. These are all quick connects. They're very simple to put together. We have the hose connected to the pump body and the nozzle connected to the hose. Chris, if you want to do those connections first. So all you do is slide them together and twist them a half turn, and we're all ready to go. The final connection is for the fuel line from the tank to the engine itself. It's a little bayonet connection that's found below the carburetor on the frame of the pump. Push and turn clockwise a half turn. The only other thing to remember is that there's an air bleeder screw on the fuel tank. It's a little brass-headed screw right here at the top of the tank. Open it by turning it counterclockwise.
Hey guys, it's Tom from Marine Patrol here. Before I start up the wajax fire pump, Mark 26, you gotta make sure you have it at start and you have your choke on. Some of the machines here say choke and then start, and that'd be your choke, similar to your Honda pump or maybe your outboard. You wanna have your choke out like that. After one pull, if it has a sign of life, put it at run. Slowly move it from start to warm, and then have a good prime of water.